It bears repeating to congratulate, particularly Madam, because there is no question, sir, that this issue about women empowerment and equality is an issue in Nigeria. So I commend the President for finding you worthy of being appointed. And Mohammed, looking at your CV, you are all qualified. The issue for me is not qualification. It's your policy choices. And that is where I would like to learn from you. Everywhere in the world, the nation state make deliberate effort to protect local industries, not because we like the owners of those industries, but because we want to create jobs for Nigerian people. Those jobs will not be achieved by weeping for the jobless. It is by supporting businesses, particularly manufacturers that are labor intensive, like refineries. Over the years, NNPC, which you were a part of, invited and issued refinery licenses to so many. Fortunately, we have had one big one, and others not so big, and some modular refineries. Unfortunately, access to crude by these small modular refineries has been an issue. And your predecessor that was removed, and I celebrated it last night, he needed to be hanged. In my previous statement, I said, if we don't hang him, he will hang Nigeria. Because anyone who is opposed to jobs being created in Nigeria, who prefer importation, importing poverty here and exporting our prosperity abroad, do not deserve to live. I want to see how his case will be pursued to conclusion. With you, sir, having been in the industry, and I imagine in your heart, you lament that refineries that worked before. I was in Kaduna. Many of my relations were getting jobs and contracts, LPO, to the Kaduna refinery. They are all dead. Now that you are here, and in view of the very shameful performance and policy choices of your predecessor, will you be informed by the spirit of patriotism and the details of jobs for Nigeria, not the details of the owners of refineries, the people who work there, who are our brothers and sisters, our children, who read chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, etc. What step will you take to balance national interests with this idea of run down the country so that you can import, and people who are adding no value make money without effort? But I want to congratulate you, and more importantly, salute our president for acting properly without allowing for a vacuum. And I'm still going to drink tonight because of the removal of Farouk.
Already baked the cake, let me put the icing. Straight to the point. Engineer Liu, sir, what will you do different? Your predecessor did not do well. It's on record. What will you do different? Number one. Two, Mr. Chairman, we are in Dangote Refinery early this month. We have seen a lot of things, we hear a lot of things. And I can assure you, Nigerians like me, I'm close to the ground, I'm already on the ground. And he that is on the ground, fear no fall. I want you to tell us here, what are you going to tell Nigerians, what are you going to do different with what the SAC predecessor did to correct that impression, because there are negative impression about that. Number two, ma. Number three, over to you, ma. You are an experienced person, according to my distinguished colleague, Ekpeyo. You are predecessor to 0/0. When you go in there, we want to see difference and be friend to the stakeholders, especially the committee. Your predecessor, let me call it a common lafe, has no any relationship. He is above everybody. And I will join you, sir, this evening to drink on his removal. It's not sack. This one is just, we know there is no, they are sack, not resign. Sack. That is it. Thank you.